if you're planning to launch your site soon, or you're just doing some simple maintenance on your site, then maintenance mode can always display those pages to your user. You can always tell your users that your site is coming soon and they should check out, or you can also tell them that your site is on maintenance and they should check sooner. This plugin here will display very beautiful pages with action calls. Users can submit their emails and then they'll get notified automatically when you launch. So if you've not acquired this plugin yet, go to Osclass Market and get the plugin, or if you get it from somewhere else, you can just go and upload it to your Osclass installation by clicking this add icon here. And once you upload the plugin, it will be listed amongst your plugins section, and you can just go ahead and click install. It will be installed perfectly. It has been installed, and then you can go ahead and click on the configure link, or hover onto show more menu, and here you find the icon. Once you click that icon, when you click on that icon, it will take you to the settings panel for the plugin, and the first thing you need to do is to enable maintenance mode. Then you can give it a title right there, headline, and then some description. Then you can put your copyright information right there and your analytics code from Google. Also you can insert there. This one will help you to give you statistics about how people are visiting your site before you launch it. It is important. It can tell you where to put more marketing resources, how people are visiting your sites and the likes. So page images, you can just go ahead. If you have some images, favicon images, logo and everything, you can just go ahead and upload them from these sections right here. Just pick an image, any image, as long as it's your logo. When you click save, it will be saved, and then here there's an option here for you to select default images that comes with the plugin. So you can pick any of these, and when you save your settings, that photo will be used as a default photo. You can also upload an image, and it will appear in the front panel for your theme. Very important, you need to set your countdown. Let's say my site is right now on maintenance mode, or I'm coming soon and I'm planning to launch in December 27th. So there, and I have to set the time. Let's say I'm launching at 12 p.m. Remember to enable the countdown, and then right here you can define the days, hours, minutes, seconds with the language, your local languages. You can put them right here, and then you can save the settings. You can see how it has been saved. Everything has been saved, and then you can go ahead. You can decide to show or hide social media tags. Put your social media links here, let's say Facebook. It has to start with HTTP. Very important. Then there are so many templates. Before we go to templates, let me just save this. There are so many templates here you can choose from. You can pick your background color from that color picker right there. Then you can choose from any of these templates. Let's say let's use which one? Yes, let's use that one. And then which template is this? This is Zoom template. Here you can put your CSS. You can edit that that coming soon page or maintenance mode page with CSS, and you can copy and paste your code right there. So I just want to save that. Once see our settings have been saved, and here you can put your contact information. You can put your phone number right there, 0720000888. Then you can put your email address there, info@grok.com, and then you can describe your location and save your settings. Then note, there's a note information here. It is telling us that not all templates will display contact information. Use Zuno matrix template to display this information. So not all of them will display that information. So right here you can add notification emails. Here's a notification list. People can subscribe right from your coming soon page from the front panel, or you can add them from here. Let's say I know Frederick is my friend and I would like to notify him when I'm launching, and I have another friend who is Nelson also. I would like to notify him when I finally launch my site. So when I save that, now you see those two email addresses have been added there. So now, because I've completed my settings here, because my settings have been set, I need to enable my maintenance mode. Now it is enabled. Remember, it will only work. Now before I move out of here, you can see this little information here that is telling us that you have 6 registered. We want to know your site will not be available. Now whenever you're going on maintenance and you have registered users, this application will always notify you or remind you to tell those users that your site will not be available. So the moment you click here, send notification, it will tell them that our site is currently on maintenance and it will not be available for a certain duration until the names that we load. So when I send a notification here, it will automatically send email addresses. It will automatically send email messages to your registered users. So it has already sent the messages, and you can see the information here. Was successful. Email was successful, sent to 6 users who are registered by us. So this application, whenever you are with this plugin, whenever you are logged into your control panel as the administrator, you will not be able to see the coming soon pages. It will just take you to your site directly, and this way you can customize your site and still be able to check the customization to confirm if everything is okay. But the moment you log out of your control panel, and reload that page, now you see our site is on maintenance and we cannot access it. Now right here, users can as you can see, the countdown is working perfectly, and users can subscribe if they want to get notified when we finally launch back. So we can subscribe here with our email addresses, and you get a notification there that frederickruben.com was added to the notification list. Again, we can contact these people, the owner of this website. We can send a message to him. Let's say Nelson is my name, subject launch date, Nelson at gmail.com. When are you coming back? Now you can send that message, and the message will be sent via Osclass. Now when I log in back to my site, and go to notifications, you can see a user has been added. This one was added from the coming soon page from the front panel. So you can delete an email if you want, and you'll get a message, one item has been deleted. Now the moment your site is ready to launch, you can just come here and disable maintenance mode. Once the maintenance mode has been disabled, you'll get another notification here telling you that you have 31 users who are waiting to hear that your site is finally back. Let them know. All you have to do is send a notification, and they'll get an email notification telling them that your site is now back. It is processing the image, that's why it is taking some time. and there we are. Email was successfully sent to 31 users. Now, something that I forgot to mention very quickly is that this plugin maintenance mode comes with 2 email templates. So you remember the notification that was coming here, like let me just do an example very quickly. So when our site is on maintenance, you see this message right here. It is telling us to send a notification to 6 users who are registered and tell them that our site will not be available. So this theme comes with 2 email templates that supports the 2 types of notifications that we are sending. The first one is when the site is on maintenance, and the second one is when the maintenance period is complete, or rather when we launch our website. So if you go to your settings section and then email templates, click on the email templates, then right here at your email templates, I believe it's on the 3rd page, you will find the 2 email templates. So this one, the first one, alert site on maintenance, will tell your users that your site will not be available. So right here you can come and edit the information that you like your users to see whenever you send them an email. So this one is saying hi username. This is to notify you that the site title will be on maintenance from the date we started maintenance to the date that the site will launch. At this time we will let you know when we are back. Now this one will always be sent whenever you click that notification button, send notification button. This one, let me just go and show you very quickly. Whenever you click this button here, send a notification, this email template will process an email that will be sent to your registered users, all of them. And then we have the second type of email template, and this one will send an email message or notification to users who registered through your maintenance page, or you added to your list of notification. So again, here you can just go and edit the information that you like your users to see. Now as you can see, this is a very simple message, and it's telling your users, hi, the website, this is the name of the website, is now back, and then it gives a link to that website, and that's it. So guys, if you've not purchased this plugin yet, I ask you to please go and buy it, because you can see it's a good plugin, and it's affordable. So guys, go get your copy, and thank you.